I built these, and they're not that difficult. This section right here is on a hinge. After I put it on a hinge, I decided that maybe that wasn't the best thing to do. I have water in there. I was giving them some feed, but I don't want to fill them up too much of feed. But I am providing them with hay, and it's a real simple setup. It took me a while to kind of put it together, but once I got it together, it came together quite nicely. I don't think I showed you this, but here is my trough, feeding trough. My ram, he gets his feed here. He's going nuts back here. Let me get out of here and let him calm down. But as this expands, I will put a trough in between each 10-foot section. I'll put a trough here. There's the existing trough, and then I'll add a trough there. I want to be able to house at any given time anywhere from 40 to 50 ewes at any given time. Here's the trough. I feed them in here. And so I don't have any problem. When I want to feed them, I can just come right back here on the other side, and I never have to get over into the enclosure here. But that's a kind of an overview of my pasture, not pasture, but my corral and jugs for my my sheep. And have any questions, leave me some comments. I'll read those and get back with you as soon as I can.